Hoe je wat?
Iman,
Johan.
Mm.
Man, hoe zou ik wat je is?
mas di my Instagram. XO.
What's something about you people usually figure out way too late?
I'm autistic.
Talented.
I'm not a liar. I'm not a liar. That I'm a goat, you know. Right. They find out too late that I'm a goat. And they know on my level.
Okay. Do you think you're easy to read or hard to understand?
I think I'm hard to understand.
What is the hard to understand? I mean, you're half a person.
Raak me ka gewoon too lang pal. Next question.
What do you think people assume about you that's actually wrong?
That I'm a liar.
Stop the cap.
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
That's something about you people usually figure out way too late.
That I'm autistic. You know, but I'm a liar.
What a fucking lie.